Hey there, welcome back to another exciting review on our channel. Before we get into it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Today, we're talking about the SONOFF Outlet's BasicR2 Wi-Fi breaker switch. This is a game changer for your smart home setup, and let me tell you why. First of all, this smart switch is not only affordable, but it also gives you full control over your connected devices. With the ability to connect to a wide range of appliances, the SONOFF Basic Wi-Fi electric switch allows users to remotely control all their connected devices through the eWeLink mobile app. No more getting up to turn off the lights or wondering if you left the iron on. Everything is right at your fingertips. The BasicR2 update brings even more convenience to the table. With app remote control, timer, and scheduling features, and hands-free voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Home, this switch takes your smart home to the next level. You can create smart scenes, use LAN control when there's no Wi-Fi network, and even share control of your appliances with family and friends. But that's not all. The SONOFF Outlet's BasicR2 Wi-Fi breaker switch is also compatible with any household appliances and has DIY capability for users with basic electrician knowledge. No matter what your setup is, this switch has got you covered. So, if you're ready to take control of your smart home and make your life a whole lot easier, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the SONOFF Outlet's BasicR2 Wi-Fi breaker switch today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.